Guys, today we are looking at the Pryml fishing rod holder that I got for my car. Now it's removable and it's from BCF. Now the reviews online are like 3 out of 5 stars, so like pretty bad. But if you look over here, we've got 4 nuts and 2 U-shaped shackles. And pretty much what I've done in mine is, if you come over here, I've had to put washers in them because the shackles weren't long enough and it was slipping. But as you can see, that it is now on there really tight. And now this rod, these are actually like removable like that. And people online have been saying, they've been actually putting glue in here and gluing it on because they come off, which is not ideal. But for $39, it's not too bad. I've had mine in my car for about like 4 weeks. And I've put about 4 fishing rods in it and it worked fine. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. And then yeah, you literally just put them on with a shifter, just like that. Can you get defected is a big question, and the answer is maybe, because some people get defected for them, some people don't. Just depends what mood the cop's in and what state you're in. But yeah. Okay guys, now we're going to talk about the positioning on the vehicle when I've chosen to put it. So I've decided to put it on this side because on this side it's obviously blocking the driver's view and it's illegal. So that's not ideal for fishing rods in the way. So on this side, I've just stuck it here in the corner because obviously my aerial's in the way and that was going to be a big deal. But luckily, it just fits in there. And some people do put them in the middle, but the actual tube for the bull bar here is too thick. And I've got my light bar there. So I'm not going to put a light bar on the side. So for that reason, it's over here. And that's fine because it is out of the way. And the bar is in a bit of an angle, so it does shoot that way, but that's out of the way for now. Now, for the installation process, you get these sort of U-shackle things, and what you do is they go behind the bar and you literally pull them up like so, like that, and then they just give you nuts. But because the bar isn't thick enough, I've got some washers from Dad's shed and they go on like so, like this, and then the nuts are going over top like so. Now the thing is, people have asked me this, why are these so long? I don't know. Maybe you can bend it out and get a bigger pole or something, a bigger bar pole, and that's why they're so big. But what I would probably end up doing is grinding that off and then cutting it and then spray painting it black or something, because as you can see on that one there, they just look massive and long and ridiculous, and it doesn't, that's like 40 mil that you can take off. It doesn't need that much. But yeah, so in terms of installation process, very simple, very easy. Anyone can do this in like 5 minutes. I've done it in 5 minutes. And then yeah, literally just need a shifter. But yeah, so that's it for now guys. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.